G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Had a nice workout this morning. Got the whole gym to myself. Nobody's in here. Early bird gets the worm. Today we're talking about managing yourself. And as I have reiterated in previous videos, once you see the setups and you understand what you're looking for, whether it's 2 or 3 setups, as we talked about, maybe a parabolic setup, a session scalp, or a news catalyst, depending on what the calendar has on hold and everything else. But what it really boils down to is you managing yourself and managing your expectations, managing your day, managing your emotional state, managing your psychological approach to the market. When you see this and you step back and you start to put the pieces of the puzzle together, you realize how simple the game can be. When you're not chasing things, chasing dollars and cents, chasing pips, but you're actually running and scaling your business because you have a business model that you execute on, and it's simple and it rinses and repeats every week, then you can step back and get on with your day, because you only need 2 or 3 high quality setups in a week. And out of 15 sessions in a week, again, we talked about doing the math, out of 15 sessions and maybe 10 different instruments, whether they're currencies, indexes, commodities, you could have all currencies, there's cross rates, the whole thing, but that's 15 sessions, 10 different instruments. That's 150 opportunities potentially to just look for 2 or 3 high quality setups. So when you start to see through all of this and you have these, breakthroughs, there's a state of calmness that comes over you, and your approach completely changes. And so, one question from a trader was, how would you back test? And I always say this: you need to back test yourself. There's only 3 things really on the chart: the high and the low, the time of day, and price. So when you understand the timing of everything, it's the back testing needs to be based on the time of day, and then the type of setup that you have on the chart. So yesterday's video, we went through and showed 3 session setups: peak formations, consolidations. For parabolic session, there was a session opportunity just across the board on 10 instruments. So there are more than enough high quality opportunities. It's not about guessing. It's not about trying to sell the high and buy the low. It's about knowing what type of setup you have, knowing what type of chart, how well engineered is the chart that you're trading on the day itself. Is it erratic price action, but you bought the low and sold the high? Or is this a high quality opportunity for a parabolic day 2 trend trade? Maybe it's a high of session, high of day reversal for a session scalp. Perhaps it's a day 3 vertical parabolic move for a large scalable 5-star opportunity. Could be high of the week, low of the week opportunity on a Friday, based on after a news catalyst or after major red news, New York Open, whatever that may be. Could be London. So there are plenty of opportunities. Managing yourself is the biggest priority. Most traders who do damage or who blow up or who struggle have not yet harnessed that. They're still chasing. They think it's all in the chart. They think it's the market, and the market is only, as I've said, you could trade 1 EMA crossover once a week, if you knew what you were looking for, and that would be enough to grow your account. And right away I got a lot of emails: which EMAs? I'm trying to demonstrate that most things that traders struggle with are of their own behavior, their own emotional state, their own psychological approach to the market. So when you learn to manage yourself, the rest is easy. So the focus needs to be on executing high priority, high probability, high possibility setups, managing your expectations, and then compounding that and managing yourself in between. So get on with your day. As I said on Friday, that trade was 10 minutes, and sometimes that's how fast they move. And sitting around or trying to trade for more later is what usually does damage to an account after you do the good things. So keep it simple, focus on the highest probability opportunities, learn how to compound those, learn how to continually rinse and repeat, learn how to hunt out the best instruments, and then get on with your day. Enjoy yourself, stay healthy, go work on other projects, whatever your interests are, and keep getting better in all aspects. 1% better every single day. Again, early bird gets the worm. Got the whole gym to myself. It's fantastic. I love it. Have a great day, traders. Enjoy your weekend, and may the markets go with you.